Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Rose is a charming district in Laval, Quebec. It sits on the northern part of Laval, bordered by the Rivière de Mille Îles. This area is perfect for nature lovers, with peaceful parks like Parc de la Rivière de Mille Îles, where you can kayak, canoe, or just enjoy birdwatching. The district's quaint atmosphere is complemented by old-style homes and picturesque streets in View Sainte-Rose. One of Sainte-Rose's landmarks is the beautiful Sainte-Rose de Lima Church, built in 1740. It's known for its stunning Gothic and Romanesque architecture and its impressive Cassavant Frères organ. Art fans might be excited to learn that Sainte-Rose is the birthplace of Marc Aurèle Fortin, a famous Canadian painter known for capturing the beauty of Quebec landscapes. Sainte-Rose has excellent transportation links too. The Sainte-Rose train station easily connects to Montreal and other parts of Laval. There's so much to see and do here in Sainte-Rose, from its history to its vibrant local culture. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Sainte-Rose, Laval, Quebec.
watching!